It's time to feed the polar parrot babies, and I just noticed they were high in the water, so I thought I'd come down and let you see the size of the school. They got pretty good size shoal there. The babies, let's give them some food. So there it is. That's a cloud of North Finn's fry food, fry starter. I put a healthy cloud in there. And it's going to drift on down towards the babies who are just maybe starting to notice it's in the water. So they'll start eating it. See, it's starting to respond. How shall we feed the babies? Of course, they all went to ground for food.